Hi, my name is Janine and I'm from the beautiful country of South Africa. I am a dependable, disciplined, and self driven individual with a strong focus on efficiency and continuous improvement. I approach all tasks with professionalism, consistency, and a proactive mindset. I learn quickly, adapt to new styles and procedures with ease, and remain committed to expanding my knowledge and capabilities. I'm goal orientated, persistent, and resilient in overcoming obstacles to achieve successful outcomes. My interpersonal and communication skills supports effective collaboration across teams, and I'm actively contribute to maintaining a productive and positive working environment. I am solution focused, apply critical thinking when challenges arise, and prioritize safety, quality, and performance in all responsibilities. With a dedicated work ethic and a high level of accountability, I take pride in delivering work that supports operational success and long term improvement. My approach is guided by the belief that meaningful impact is achieved through commitment, consistency, and the willingness to learn and grow. Thank you very much.